on my way to Topgolf in Salt Lake City, Utah. Gonna hit some balls with the guys who, Jeremy of the Greener Lawn, John Perry, Jimmy.
Is that a rebel?
Hey!
Is that a rebel?
That's the guy right there. You see him back there? Ginge. So there it is, folks, the Topgolf of the Salt Lake City area, greater Salt Lake City. See that? Jeremy of the Greener Lawn is here. So I'm here at the front desk and these girls are like, who the heck are you? Why you got that camera? And they're like questioning me. I'm like, shut the heck up and let me in there. So, yeah, so you let me in there. I'm gonna make it happen. So Jeremy of the Greener Lawn here, he doesn't golf and he says it's gonna be ugly and we're gonna watch and see if that's true. I don't buy it. He lies all the time. So let's see what happens.
Let's see what we can do. Okay, so I'm gonna take a practice swing, so this isn't really me.
You see that? That was freaking sweet. Oh yeah! Are you kidding me? He says, oh, I can't golf, I can't golf. You see that? That was like perfect. We were down there at the other booth and we had some whiners and complainers saying, oh, you did the reservation, you didn't get us one with couches. So we were down there and we're at the one with just the table and chairs and they're complaining, whining and crying. I'm like, dude, I didn't know. I thought they were all couches. So they went up and made the reservation. They're like, I'll pay the difference, all this crap. That guy, okay? He's like, we're gonna upgrade to the booth with the couches. So now we're doing couches apparently, and I even got one of those stamps. I went behind it like a special door and all that crap. Verified my ID and everything. Got Jeremy of the Greener Lawn, John Perry. Oh, Brett Sucks over there. Who is Jimmy Lewis. Cherish each moment. And the Pest and Lawn Ginger over there. The most important thing for me at this event is just to try to crush the ball. That's all I care about is crushing the ball. Don't care about score and nothing. So look at this, folks. We've got the live stream going right here. And these guys have the nerve to tell me that because I'm at Topgolf, I'm making too much money. I don't know about that. So what's your take on this whole deal?
Whole deal? Is that a golf joke?
No.
Oh, I think we need to do it more often.
Yeah, we do. Yeah, we do need to do this.
I think we need to have a monthly Utahbers meeting.
Utahbers. Okay, here I'm going to do a left-handed shot, folks.
Of the Rebel Lawn.
Golf Rebel, nail it.
So I just go like this, and then they're going to kick us out.
Yay.
My wife is like, you didn't say it was going to be 4 hours long. Like, so?
Leave me alone. I told my wife 6.
That's smart.
Practice whip.
Practice swing. Look at the hair. Look at the hair whip.
Whip.
Perfect. Seriously.
Yeah! I think he wins.
You kidding me? You kidding me? Don't kid yourself! I won that battle fair and square.
I don't think so.
If you guys ever get the chance to go to Topgolf, it's a good time.
Do it.
It's really fun.
Connor doesn't even like golf.
Yeah, really. I just like golf lawnmowers. But the bill was 400 bucks. We were here for about
4 hours.
6 people. We were here for about 4 hours. So it's about 60 bucks a pop. And I'm saying that it's worth it.
Great time.
It's worth it. Yeah, it's worth it. It's a really good time. So if you got the chance to come, do it. And go with your buddies and friends, because this is the kind of event you want to go to with some friends. I don't know where we're going. I think we're going this way. This guy here, Jimmy, he even has his own clubs, huh?
Zone clubs.
So that's it?
Be nice. That's it for tonight.
Okay, that's it. So we'll just make this
a monthly thing.
I'll set it up.
All right, you're in charge.
I'll be in charge of this event.
in charge.
Okay, folks. So we're just leaving this joint, and
are you Connor Ward?
Yeah.
We found Connor. Oh,
yeah.
my gosh.
Yeah. Check that out, guys. Vlog.com. Yeah. What do you say? You want to be in on this crap? Oh yeah! Yeah! So have fun, guys. So that's how it goes. I just walk around and people are like, hey, I want to be on your camera. All this stuff. There are all these people looking around at me. What's he got that camera for? Me. Okay, we will see you in the next one. Make her green. But that was a freaking awesome time. If you guys have the chance to do that, that is definitely worth your time to go to Topgolf. A little bit spendy, but 60 bucks isn't that much. It was $67 for every person, and there was 6 people there. So, and we ordered whatever, you know, drinks and burgers and pizza and stuff like that. We had an awesome time. So, see those looky-loos back there? They're like, what's that guy doing? Why's he got that camera? Giving me like the weirdo guy look, all that. I don't know, it's kind of crazy there. So, that's it.
You guys are much better golfers.
7-iron, folks.
Oh yeah. Hey Connor, you're hitting it way better this way. I'm not paying attention. Apparently your boy Joe is not happy. Nice.
Joe,
Connor.
Gish?
That's a good one. He said he hates you for not inviting him.
I'm getting the blame for it. Connor was the one that put this.
I'm in charge of this event.
Yeah,
So
don't
Connor
blame me.
didn't invite you, Joe.
Yeah,
I made the invitation.
yeah, I would have definitely invited you.
Oh yeah!
Where'd it go?
That's ball 14, Connor.